Good morning children and welcome to your EVS class. Dear children, in our today's EVS class, we will read about Lesson 7, Good Habits, given in page number 10 of your EVS book. So before starting this chapter, I would like to ask you that what do you mean by good habits? Children, do you know what good habit is? Okay, let me tell you. Good habit is the correct behavior. Good habits are the good behavior or good things that is beneficial for ourselves. Good habits are the good behavior or good things that is beneficial for us. Good habits helps us to improve our all-round condition. Good habits helps us to improve our all-round condition. So, it is very, very important to have good habits. Whatever good thing we do in our day-to-day life are said to be as good habits. Whatever good things, whatever good behavior we adopt are called as good habits. Now children, can you tell me that what good habit is important? What is the importance of good habits? Good habits are important for good character. Good habits are important to form good character. It is important for the development of society, children. Do you know that if you have good habits, it will help you for the development of the society. Good habits create virtues. Virtues means qualities. If we have good habit, it creates good qualities in ourselves. So, it is really very important to have good habits, to adopt good habits in our early stage of life. If we are having good habits, if we are having good behaviors, then it means that we are developing the society. We are helping to develop the society because good habits create virtues. Good habits create good qualities in ourselves. So, we should adopt good habits as soon as possible. Good habits should be adopted early during child life for a bright future. If you want a bright future, you should adopt good habits in your early stage of life, children. So, now look at page number 10 of your EVS book. All of us should follow good habits to be healthy and strong. If you want to be healthy, if you want to be strong, we should adopt or we should follow good habits. Our parents and teachers teach us good habits. Children, if I will ask you that who teaches you about good habit, what will you answer? You will say teachers and parents teach us about good habits. Teachers and parents helps us to adopt or follow good habits. What are the good habits, children? Let us see few good habits which are given in your book. The first one is breathe fresh air. Yes, children, we should breathe fresh air. We have to go for morning and evening walk in the park. When you will go for a morning or evening walk in your park, you will feel fresh because in the park you will get fresh air. So it is a good habit to breathe fresh air. We should breathe fresh air. Second one is play in the open air. Children, it is likely said that we have to play in open areas like in the playground, in the open fields. When you are playing in open fields, in the playground, you will be fit, you will be strong, you will be fit and strong. So it is a good habit. Next one is drink clean water. It is very important, children, to drink clean and sufficient water. We should drink more and more water. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. We should drink 8 glasses of water per day. When we are drinking enough water, it will purify your body from inside and it will keep you healthy, children. Now, next one is take proper rest. What is the next good habit? Take proper rest. It is said that we have to take proper rest, children. You should wake up early in the morning. We should wake up early in the morning and go early to bed also. It is said that early to bed and early to rise. We have to follow this habit. This is a very important good habit. Early to bed, early to rise. We must go to bed early and we should wake up early in the morning and do exercise to keep ourselves healthy and strong. We should do yoga. We should do exercise to keep ourselves healthy and strong. Next one is eat good food, eat good and healthy food. Yes, children, we should adopt a healthy habit of eating good and healthy food. We should eat green fruits and vegetables. We should eat green vegetables and fruits every day. It is also said that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. It is said that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. We should always eat an apple every day. If you will eat an apple every day, you will never fall ill. You will never fall ill. It will protect us from various diseases and it will keep us healthy also. And children, it is said that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So to keep ourselves healthy, we should eat good and healthy food. Good and healthy foods, and we should eat green vegetables and fruits also. Next is exercise daily. Yes, children, we have to do exercise. We have to do exercise. Nowadays, you can see that there is coronavirus everywhere. That this virus, this vicious virus is spreading everywhere. So to keep ourselves healthy, we should do exercise every day. We should do various kinds of exercise every day. We should do finger exercise, we should do finger exercise, or we should do various kind of stretchings and all to keep ourselves healthy. It is a good habit, children. Next one is sleep well. As I have just told you that we should go to bed early and take proper rest. We should sleep well. It is said that we have to take minimum 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. We have to take 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. When we are taking good sleep, it means we are keeping ourselves healthy. We are keeping ourselves healthy and strong. It is a good habit, children. Keep yourself clean. Keep yourself clean, children. children, how would you keep yourself clean? By using soap and sanitizers and water. By brushing our teeth every day, twice a day, we can keep our teeth clean. By bathing with soap, we can keep ourselves clean. By washing our hands using soap before and after meal, we can keep ourselves clean, children. So these are the good habits through which we can keep ourselves clean, and these are called as good habits. Whenever you touch somebody's phone or anything else, you must have to apply or use hand sanitizer. It is a good habit to have to keep a hand sanitizer with you all the time. It is a good habit, children, to have a hand sanitizer with you all the time. All these things help us to keep ourselves clean. All these things helps us to keep ourselves clean. Now, you can see on the board also that I have written some more good habits for you, children. Let us talk about them. Drink sufficiently. We should drink more and more water, children, to keep ourselves healthy, to keep ourselves strong. We should drink enough water. We should drink enough water. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Next is be positive. We should always think positive. We should always think positive, children. We should always have a positive approach towards everything. We should always have a positive approach towards everything. Think positively. When you are thinking positively, you will feel that you will feel happy. You will feel happy from inside. So, we should think positively and be positive. Next is be punctual. Be punctual. What do you mean by punctual, children? Punctual means we should be punctual, or we should be on time. We should not go anywhere late. If your school is from 8 a.m., so you must reach your school before time. At least minimum 5 minutes before you should reach your destination. Wherever you go, whether it is a school, whether it is for interview or workplace, you must have to be punctual. You must have to be punctual. You should be punctual, children. Next is wear clean clothes. Yes, children. When we are wearing neat and clean clothes, we are keeping ourselves healthy. We are keeping ourselves healthy. So it is said that by wearing clean clothes, it means that we are keeping ourselves, we are helping ourselves to be healthy, and we are, when we wear clean clothes, it means we are keeping ourselves clean. Next is read books in free time. Children, whenever you get free time, do not waste your time. Do not waste your time at all. Whenever you get free time, you must read your book. You must read your books. Every time, whether it is a science book, an English book, or any knowledgeable book, you must develop a habit of reading books, children. It is a good habit. Next one is always keep your nails clean. Always keep your nails clean, children. We should trim our nails once in a week. We should trim our nails once in a week, children. It is a good habit, and we should always keep our nails clean. We should keep our nails clean and trim our our nails once in a week. It is one of a good habit, children. Next is cleaning up mess. Children, it is very, very important. Wherever you are, whether it is at your home, wherever you are, whether you are at your home or in the school or anywhere, you should take care of cleanliness. You should take care of cleanliness. You should not throw garbage here and there. Always take care of these things. Always throw garbage in the dustbin. Use dustbin to throw garbage. Do not litter things here and there. Okay, children? It is very important to clean our home, to clean our school, or to clean our environment. So, in this way, we are adopting good habits. If you do all these things, these things, it means that you are having good habits. You are following good habits, and when you are following these good habits, it means you will be healthy and strong. If you will follow all these good habits, you will be healthy and strong. So you must do or follow all these good habits. Let us discuss some more good habits, children. Don't get angry. Don't get angry, children. Whenever you feel like anger, you should control. Drink a glass of water and control yourself. We should not talk with our food. Children, we should not talk with our food inside our mouth. Whenever you are having your meals, you should not eat full mouth. You should not have full mouth. Take small bites and chew your food properly. These are good habits. Keep your things at right place. Keep your things at right place. Children, you should always keep your things properly at their right place. If you are following all these things, it means that you are having good habits, and you are said to be as a good boy or a good girl. You will be titled as good boy or good girl. As you know that when we learn some more good habits, it means that we are creating a standard for the society. So it is very important to follow good habits in our day-to-day life, children. So I think, children, that this chapter, this lesson, good habits, is now clear with all of you. We will meet soon in our next video. Till then, watch this video and learn. Okay, children, keep learning and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.